Facebook ads. Friends, in Facebook ads, there's a small but powerful option called ad schedule. It's a very small option, but it is truly very important. So now I am going to explain to you today that how its results can help us optimize our budget. Where we see this option and when this option isn't visible to us. I'll explain both points and their benefits. It's very important, alright? So understand it carefully about ad scheduling. So let's take a look at it. Now here we are on my Facebook dashboard, okay? So whenever we create a new campaign, we will click on create here. We have chosen traffic as the campaign objective here. You can pick the one you need, then continue. We'll create a manual campaign and then click continue. Right here. So we're now at the campaign creation screen. Ensure advantage campaign budget is on, okay? This will give us several more options. Here we get two options. One is daily budget and the other is lifetime budget. Now, daily budget means that we'll add money daily and our campaign will run accordingly. Here when the delivery date option is selected, then you can't edit the ad scheduling option, it's disabled. Okay? This means when you're running a daily budget campaign, you can't use ad scheduling. You'll have to manage everything manually on a daily basis. Now, if you select lifetime budget here instead of daily. Also, let's increase the budget amount right here. Okay? And I've increased the amount here, and first let's understand lifetime budget. Daily budget means that we are spending money daily like 500, 1000 or 10,000 rupees. But lifetime budget means suppose I want to drive traffic to my website. I need to run a particular campaign like for 10 days. Now if I want to spend 10,000 rupees on it, what I'll do is select lifetime budget and enter 10,000 rupees. And here ad scheduling is something we'll get to later on, but I'll set a time duration for the campaign. That from this to this date my ad will run for 10 days. So 10,000 rupees automatically got divided among 10 days. Now I don't need to add money daily. It's a lifetime campaign for 10 days with the budget distributed throughout and then it will conclude. Okay? The campaign runs on its own for 10 days. So within those 10 days there might be some particular days or times. When you think that on this day, let's say a Sunday is coming in between and my team won't be there at office. So I don't want the ad to run on this particular day. Or maybe you want that since your team is in the office from 9 am to 8 pm, your ad simply shouldn't be shown before 9 am or after 8 pm because that is your optimal prime time. So with ad scheduling, what happens is I've selected lifetime budget. So the ad scheduling option is here now. I can edit it. Can you see it? Run ads on a schedule. I selected this. Now we'll proceed further here. Okay. When we've come here, but I'm not discussing other features right now. I'm only focusing on ad schedule. Alright, here we have the start and the end dates. As I mentioned, we will start from the 22nd. And from the 22nd, I will run this campaign. Until 2nd of this month, I will run it till 2 May, okay, for 1 month. So my budget will be distributed over that period. Among the options like ad set, spending limit, budget scheduling and ad scheduling, my focus is ad scheduling. I need to do ad scheduling. So then I can select the specific days I want my ad to run right here, okay? And I can also select the specific times I want my ad to run. This way I'll schedule my days and hours. Now understand its benefit. That my budget was just 10,000, I had to run ad for 10 days. I know that my team is available only on these certain days and that's when I get results. Okay, so my ad does not run on the rest of the days or times. Then those 10,000 rupees will only be spent on the specific days and times I want. So this means your ad simply won't run during unnecessary times. So there won't be any ad spent. So my budget got optimized, didn't it? Because everyone has a limited budget. So if you run it at the right time on the right days, you'll get much better results. Ad scheduling might seem like a small thing, but if you're running a lifetime campaign, then you should definitely use this option. Because no matter how long you set your lifetime budget for, whether it's for a whole month, 10 days or longer, set it up right from the beginning, schedule your ads. You can adjust later, but if you do it from the start, things will be properly set and campaign will run in a smooth flow. And it will gradually self-optimize for better results. I hope you've understood why ad scheduling in Facebook is so important. I hope you have understood when it's available and not. Once you create campaigns, you'll surely use this feature. Thank you, friends.